Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to quickly show everyone on how to use the YQArch AutoCAD plugin to automate parcel numbering. Alright, so instead of you using your text to number each parcel, such as plot 1 in this case, and can quickly increase the text height of that. Right, so instead of using this method to label your parcel plot 1, plot 2, okay, so this is archaic and it is time consuming, right? So imagine you have a larger number of perimeter that you are facilitating on AutoCAD. You cannot achieve this, all right, within minutes, but the method I'll show you is very quick and easy to automate. Alright, so first condition is that each of your parcel must be an enclosed object. It must be an enclosed object. Okay, so you can see each box, they are connected with the polyline tool. So after you make sure that they are enclosed objects, the next thing now is to use the YQArch AutoCAD plugin to automate your parcel numbering. Alright, so on your screen you type ABH, then you hit enter. So this is only available for those who have installed their YQArch plugin. They have incorporated it into the AutoCAD workspace. If this is your first time on my channel, check the description or the comment section of this video to see the video on how to download and install this plugin freely. So you can see the language is still on default language, so I'll just quickly change the language to the English language by coming to my command line and typing YQlang, then hit enter. So you select English, then click OK. Alright, so the language has changed, so you can now go ahead to retype the command, which is ABH, then hit enter. So it's going to bring it out in English language that is generally understandable. Alright, so the first thing is make sure that this is an object, then you scroll down to this value SN, this is value serial number. So your first number, in this case, I want it to start from number 1, that is plot 1, plot 2, plot 3, so I need to type 1 here. So make sure that this is checked to start increasing by 1. Then the step increment, so if you want it to be plot 1, plot 2, plot 3, make sure this is 1 as well. But if you want it to start from like plot 10, plot 11, you need to change this to 10. So depending on what you want, so I'll do this as 1. Then the prefix, yours, you may be seeing an empty space here if you have not been using this plugin for your CAD drafting. You are going to make this as an empty space. So if you want it to be plot 1, you need to change it to plot. So you type plot, and based on your region of interest, some region uses lot, so you can just change it to lot depending on what you want. So I want it to be prefix of plot 1, plot 2, and the rest. Then if yours, you want it to be postface, that is the surface after the numbering, maybe 1 plot, 2 plots, then you have to leave this empty, then come here to type 1 plot, 2 plots, right? So that is the idea about this option. So I want it to be plot 1, 2, and the rest like that. Then yours may be on adjustable fillet rectangle, so you change it to adjustable rectangle below. Alright, so after that, you can now come to the text height here. So I still have it as 1 because I've been using it. So if you want your text height to be 1.2, you can type that. Okay, so these are the basic changes you have to make within this window space. After you've confirmed the setup the way I've done, then you can now click on OK. Then you have the advantage to select your object. So you meticulously select just the property of interest. So you need to select just the property that is the object of interest. So it is all selected, then I will hit enter. So automatically you see it's labeled. So this is plot 1, so you can see automatically plot 2, 3, 4, and the rest to plot 10 in this case. So I have 10 plots. So if you have to count it also here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is automatically going to label your parcel. So the same way you can do for this portion of the orientation of this layout. So ABH is the command, hit enter. So you can see here, after it has finished labeling for this particular portion, some changes has been done. So I want it to still start from plot 1, right, an increment of 1 and the rest. So let me just use this time around lot. Okay, so lot, that is lot 1, lot 2, lot 3. So you can now click on OK. Then you select your object's interest, then hit enter, and automatically you are going to see it here. So you can see lot 1, lot 2, lot 3. So that's how to achieve this in the Jiffy. So you may just check to see some little changes that has been done, so you can delete some of the inaccuracy of the plugin, and you can confirm everything is done well. So you can go ahead to change the color if you do not want the color to be this brown. So I can try to go with this, and everything will be changed, right, to be much more readable. So you can just check for any discrepancies just like this here, and I will delete any little discrepancies. So you can see this is much more a faster method of planning within the AutoCAD environment. So you can get your plugin installed and start making use of this plugin for any repetitive tasks. If you find this video helpful and informative, be well to hit on the subscribe icon, as well as turn on your notification on this channel to keep on getting valuable tutorial free. Thank you. See you in the next video.